हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। कल हमारा है बीपीएससी टीजीटी 6 to 8 क्लास का एग्ज़ाम है और ख़ास प्रिपरेशन कुछ है नहीं, तो सबको पहले ही ऑल द बेस्ट मेरी तरफ से। आप जाइएगा सेंटर और अच्छे तरीके से एग्ज़ाम देकर आएंगे। और तो आज मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस देख रहा था, तो मेरे को एक ऐसा पीडीएफ मिला एक कॉलेज की वेबसाइट से, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसा क्वेश्चंस दिया गया है। और मैंने बेसिकली ये जो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसी को सर्च करते वक्त मैंने इसको पाया। तो पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिज्म, ये रिसेंटली जो एग्ज़ाम मैंने देख के आया, वेस्ट बंगाल माद्रासा स्कूल सर्विस कमीशन में आया हुआ था। बट वहाँ पर मैंने गलत करके आया, क्योंकि मैंने ब्लास डीला ब्लास को मार्क करके आया है। ठीक है, तो लुसियन फेब्रे जो है, इन्होंने टर्म को कॉइन किया था और इसी को शायद माना जाता है फाउंडर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिज्म, क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 सोर्स कंसल्ट किया, एमसीक्यू वाला सोर्स ही ये ऑनलाइन, तो सारे जगह लुसियन फेब्रे लिखा हुआ है। बट उसके बाद बताया जा रहा है कुछ कुछ जगह में कि विदाल दे ला ब्लास इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज द फाउंडर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिज्म। तो पता नहीं, बट आई थिंक लुसियन फेब्रे ही करेक्ट आंसर होंगे। और ये जो पीडीएफ है मेरे को एक क्या मिजोरम की कोई यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट में वहाँ से डाउनलोड किया, तो डेफिनेटली बोल सकते हैं कि लुसियन फेब्रे ही करेक्ट आंसर होगा। ठीक है, तो इस यहाँ पर लगभग 200 से भी ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ है और ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी की बुक मैंने खास कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है, तो मैंने सोचा चलो एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं, तो कुछ रिवीजन हो जाएगा। और जो भी है ये शायद यूजीसी नेट पेपर का क्वेश्चन है। ठीक है, चलो, हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिज्म, तो लुसियन फेब्रे। फटाफट से हम क्वेश्चन को देख लेंगे। हु वाज कंसिडर्ड एज द फाउंडर ऑफ मॉडर्न ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी, दैट इज रैटजेल। फाउंडर ऑफ मॉडर्न ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी, रैटजेल। द philosophy states that people are not just pawns of the natural environment is possibilism. Which school of thought first developed the idea of possibilism? French school. First developed by French school. Now, neo-determinism was put forward by Griffith Taylor. Stop and go determinism is also neo-determinism. Nature is never more than an advisor is the essence of possibilism. Who quoted all the inhabitants of hot lands are lazy and timid? तो ये इमानुएल कांट ने बोला था। Who quoted all the inhabitants of hot lands are lazy and timid? इमानुएल कांट ने बोला था। Now, demographic transition theory was put forward by W.S. Thompson and Frank Notenstein. And how many stages described in the demographic transition theory? Definitely आज की डेट में 5 stages है। How many stages described in the demographic transition theory? 5 stages है। तो यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन था, मैं एक तो बता देता हूँ उनको। हाँ, तो ये क्वेश्चन WBMSC का ही है, यानी माद्रासा स्कूल सर्विस कमीशन। वहाँ पर दिया गया था, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज इज एट द स्टेज 5 ऑफ द डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन मॉडल। और ऑप्शन में था स्विट्जरलैंड, नॉर्वे, सिंगापुर एंड जापान। तो मैंने शायद सर्च किया था, तो यहाँ पर आई थिंक आपका जापान आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसमें। ठीक है, स्विट्जरलैंड, नॉर्वे, सिंगापुर और जापान ऑप्शन था, तो जापान इज इन द 5th स्टेज ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। द 3rd स्टेज ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन थ्योरी इज क्या होती है? डिक्लाइनिंग बर्थ एंड डेथ रेट्स एंड डिक्लाइनिंग पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑल्सो। Which of the following continents has the highest growth of population? Africa. Which is not the geographical factors influencing the distribution of population? So population distribution में minerals का कोई रोल नहीं है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन में मिनरल्स का कोई रोल नहीं है, ऐसा बोला जा रहा है। ओके, नॉट द जियोग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स, बट ये इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स में अंदर आएगा फिर तो। हाँ, मिनरल्स फिर इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स के अंदर आएगा। द चेंज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्रेस्ड इन परसेंटेज इज टर्म्ड एज ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन। द चेंज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्रेस्ड इन परसेंटेज इज टर्म्ड एज ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ population. The population increased by difference between birth and death in a particular region between 2 points of time is natural growth of population. If the population decreases between 2 points of time are termed as negative growth of population. If the population decreases between 2 points of time are termed as negative growth of population. When the birth rate is more than the death rate between 2 points of time, it is known as positive growth of population. Population growth is the change of population in the particular area between 2 points of time. The most populous country in the world is today is India. Which of the following demographic parameters represents the population growth rate, that is natural change and net migration? Okay, so following demographic parameters represent the population growth rate, natural change and net migration. Which of the following states in India recorded the highest percentage of decadal growth of population during 2001 and 2011? That is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh recorded the highest percentage of decadal growth of population during 2001 and 2011. Which of the following countries recorded highest population density as per UN demographic yearbook 2010? That is बांग्लादेश. अच्छा 2010 yearbook है, अब तो 2024 चल रहा है, रिसेंट का क्या देखना पड़ेगा. Now relation between the number of births and total population is known as crude birth rate. Which of the following states in India recorded the lowest decadal growth of population during 2001 and 2011? That is Kerala. So Kerala recorded the lowest decadal growth rate of population during 2001 and 11, whereas Arunachal Pradesh recorded the highest. Net population change is determined by fertility and mortality. Demographic transition is a framework that explores the historical sequence of changes in fertility and migration. Demographic transition is a framework that explores the historical sequence of changes in fertility and migration. Demographic transition is a framework that explores the historical sequence of fertility and migration. Fertility and migration. अच्छा फर्टिलिटी एंड कुछ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए था यहाँ पर. आई थिंक माइग्रेशन तो बोलते नहीं डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन में, तो बात नहीं करते हम कौन सी स्टेज में कैसा हेल्थ केयर है. ठीक है चलो यहाँ पर यही सूटेबल ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा देखो तो फर्टिलिटी एंड माइग्रेशन. ठीक है. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेजेस ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन मॉडल प्रेडिक्ट्स अ हाई बर्थ बट लो डेथ रेट? दैट इज द सेकेंड स्टेज. हाई बर्थ रेट बट लो डेथ रेट, दैट इज द सेकेंड स्टेज. ठीक है. लो डेथ रेट भी बोला जा रहा है बट फिफ्थ स्टेज में जाकर तो हाई बर्थ रेट हाई नहीं होगा ना. हु डिफाइंड ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी एज द स्टडी ऑफ चेंजिंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द अनरेस्टिंग मैन एंड द अनस्टेबल अर्थ? दैट इज ईसी सैम्पल. ओके सो ईसी सैम्पल डिफाइंड जियोग्राफी एज द स्टडी ऑफ चेंजिंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन the unresting man and the unstable earth. Principles de geography human was written by Vidal de la Blas, who defined human geography as the study of the nature and distribution of the relationship between geographical environment and human activities and qualities. That is Huntington. Human geography is the study of the nature and distribution of the relationship between geographical environment and human activities and qualities. That is Huntington. तो याद रखना ये कुछ टर्म जैसे कि जियोग्राफिकल एनवायरनमेंट, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी एंड क्वालिटी किसने दिया था? हंटिंगटन ने. ये डेफिनेशन रिलेशन बिटवीन जियोग्राफिकल एक्टिविटी, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी, जियोग्राफिकल एनवायरनमेंट, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी एंड क्वालिटी. इन द 1930s द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू कल्चरल एंड इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. अच्छा ये तो नहीं पता था. इन द 1930s द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू कल्चरल एंड इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. Okay, so in the 1930s the discipline of human geography was divided into two, cultural and economic geography. The same environment carries different meanings to people with different ways of living and culture. This statement is related to which one of the following concepts? That is possibilism. The same environment carries different meanings to people with different ways of living and culture. Which one of the following authors has stated there are no necessities but every are possibilities? Lucien Febvre. Vidal de la Blas was associated with which of the following schools of thought? That is possibilism. And the school of possibilism was developed by Vidal de la Blas. तो ये देखो possibilism स्कूल को डेवलप्ड किया था विदल de la Blas ने, क्योंकि इन्होंने कॉन्सेप्ट का बहुत क्या है पायनियर था एक इस फील्ड पॉसिबिलिज्म की जो थॉट है. द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी वाज ऑथर्ड बाय हंटिंगटन. प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी वाज ऑथर्ड बाय हंटिंगटन. ऐसे तो ये सारे इतना डिटेल में चीज़ें आई डोंट थिंक कि बीपीएससी में पूछे जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो टीजीटी लेवल का आपका एग्ज़ाम है. ठीक है. और WBMSc जो था वो पीजीटी का था, यानी 11-12 के लिए था. तो ठीक है ना. फिर भी हम एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. Who among the following did not support the concept of environmental determinism? That is Radical, Huntington Davis. ये सारे environmental determinist ही है. Which one of the following is not a supporter of the theory of determinism? Theory of determinism मतलब ये सारे against determinism है, जैसे कि हार्टसन, वुल्फगैंग हार्टके एंड ओइच के स्पेट. Who defines geography as human ecology? That is Barrows. Barrows defines geography as human ecology. Okay. Now, who among the following first initiated the concept of second demographic transition, that is वैन डी का। ओके, देखो कितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिलेगा यहाँ से, बट हर यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसे काम नहीं करते है ना, तो फिर हमको एग्ज़ाम में जाकर फंसना पड़ता है तब। हु among the following first initiated the concept of second demographic transition, that is वैन डी का। Who among the following initiated the second demographic transition, concept of second demographic transition, वैन डी का। Okay. Natural population growth is a function of birth. Migration in India as per 2011 census is maximum in which of the following streams, that is rural to rural। rural to rural कैसे हो सकता है? rural to urban नहीं, rural to rural होगा। माइग्रेशन इन इंडिया रूरल टू अर्बन होगा ना क्या? यहाँ पर मैरिज पे शायद फोकस डालना चाह रहा है, बट एक्चुअल में क्या रूरल टू अर्बन होगा ना, पता नहीं, इसको देखना पड़ेगा। द सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स इन डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन थ्योरी इज 1 2 3 4 हाई बर्थ रेट एंड हाई डेथ रेट, हाई बर्थ रेट एंड लो डेथ रेट, एंड लो बर्थ रेट एंड लो डेथ रेट, देन लो बर्थ रेट एंड हाई डेथ रेट। अच्छा, तो फोर्थ स्टेज में अगर लो बर्थ रेट है फिर से हाई डेथ ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बट ज़्यादा नहीं होगा एक्चुअली, बर्थ कम होगा ना, डेथ ज़्यादा होगा बर्थ कम होगा, इसलिए पॉपुलेशन जो नेगेटिव ग्रोथ होगा वो वाला पॉइंट है। ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन थ्योरी इज प्रोपाउंडेड बाय एडविन कैनन। ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन थ्योरी इज प्रोपाउंडेड बाय एडविन कैनन। द साइज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन लोअर एज ग्रुप इज लार्ज इन कंट्रीज where birth rate is high. Yes. The early geographers believed in the philosophy of determinism. According to the census, the growth rate of India population during 2001-11 was 17.64%. According to the census, the growth rate of India population during 2001 and 11 was 17.64%. Then environmental determinism maintains the physical environment determines man's activities and demographic transition model is based on data from the demographic experience of northwestern Europe. An increase in urban population takes place at a rate much faster than rural populations because urban centers offer large number of jobs. Okay. Now the polar regions are sparsely populated because the growing season is short owing to low temperature. Frederick Schleiermacher defined religion as feeling of absolute dependence. तो ये नया है नेम जो है फ्रेडरिक स्चिरमेचर या फिर एल का उच्चारण नहीं होगा शायद। स्चिरमेचर डिफाइंड रिलीजन एज फीलिंग ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट डिपेंडेंस। द डेमोग्राफिक स्टडी बेस्ड ऑन एनालिसिस ऑफ मोर देन 2500 सेंसस सर्वेन पॉपुलेशन रजिस्टर्स finds Christians population 2.2 billion. The demographic study based on analysis of more than 2500 census survey and population registers find Christians population 2.2 billion. यह क्या सा नहीं समझा क्वेश्चन, क्या नहीं समझा। द ग्रेटेस्ट शेयर ऑफ द ग्लोबल क्रिश्चियन पॉपुलेशन इज इन यूरोप। अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011 सेंसस द हिंदूज पॉपुलेशन ऑक्युपाइज 79.80% ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन। तो व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बिगेस्ट रिलीजन इन द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज क्रिश्चियनिटी इज द बिगेस्ट रिलीजन इन द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि इसके देखो पॉपुलेशन है 2.2 बिलियन। And then which country has the largest Muslim population, that is Indonesia has the largest Muslim population. Which religion is the fastest growing in the world, that is Islam, that is fastest growing, क्योंकि population ज़्यादा है ना, birth rate ज़्यादा है। Founder of Buddhism, that is Siddharth Gautam. Buddhist was originated at India. The largest remaining shares of the global Jewish population are in Canada. Largest remaining shares of the global Jewish population are in Canada. सबसे ज़्यादा जेविश पॉपुलेशन है कनाडा में। द लार्जेस्ट शेयर ऑफ ऑल क्रिश्चियंस लिव्स इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। द क्रिश्चियंस इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड जेविश इन कनाडा। एंड टू टाइप्स ऑफ मुस्लिम्स आर सुन्नी एंड शिया। अमंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ मुस्लिम सुन्नी इज ओवरवेलमिंग मेजोरिटी। द लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ हिंदूज आउटसाइड इंडिया आर इन नेपाल एंड बांग्लादेश। व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कल्चरल रीजन इज कॉल्ड continental culture by Baker, that is Indic cultural region. Indic cultural region is also called as continental culture. Indic cultural region is called by Baker, BAKE or Baker. Okay, so which one of the following cultural region is called continental culture by Baker. Indic cultural region. Which one of the following is associated with two types of culture, that is material and non-material culture? The Middle East or the Oriental culture realm lies between the traditional Indian culture in the east. The Middle East or the Oriental culture realm lies between the traditional Indian culture in the east. ऑक्सीडेंटल कल्चर इज इन्फ्लुएंस टू ए ग्रेट एक्सटेंट ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी। तो ये जो कल्चरल ड्रीम्स बोल के एक टॉपिक होता है, तो वो आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसको समझने के लिए, ऐसे तो याद नहीं रहेगा यहाँ से। तो ऑक्सीडेंटल कल्चर इज इन्फ्लुएंस टू ए ग्रेट एक्सटेंट ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी, बट ऑक्सीडेंटल कल्चर जो है रिलेटेड टू क्रिश्चियनिटी, ये याद रख सकते हो। याद रखना, ऑक्सीडेंटल कल्चर इज इन्फ्लुएंस टू ए ग्रेट एक्सटेंट ऑफ Christianity. The word culture derives from Latin. Father of cultural geography Karl Scheuer. The largest language having the highest number of speakers is Indo-European language. The largest language having highest number of speakers is Indo-European language. The largest language speaks in the world is Mandarin. The largest language speaks in the world is Mandarin. The largest language speaks in the world is Mandarin. Okay, Mandarin is the largest language speaks in the world. Largest language having the highest number of speakers is, so ये language group है Indo-European language, and largest language that is Mandarin. Which one is the oldest living language in the world? That is Tamil is the oldest living language in the world. Tamil is the oldest living language in the world. According to UNESCO, the most widely spoken indigenous language is the Niger-Congo language. According to UNESCO, the most widely spoken indigenous language is the Niger-Congo basin. So देख लो कितनी आपको क्या है जो अननोन इन्फॉर्मेशन है, मतलब बहुत सारे है जैसे कि मिल रहा है यहाँ पर। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनेस्को द मोस्ट वाइडली स्पोकन इंडिजिनस लैंग्वेज इज द नाइजर कॉन्गो लैंग्वेज। तो पीडीएफ काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, बहुत कुछ आपको शायद मिलेगा जो ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड है, बट किसी बुक में या फिर आप नहीं मिलेगा ऐसे नॉर्मली, है ना। बट ये शायद आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा कभी, तब आप सर्च करोगे तब मिलेगा। According to UNESCO, the most widely spoken indigenous language is the Niger-Congo language. The Australian Aboriginal languages consists of up to 27 languages. The Australian Aboriginal languages consist of up to 27 languages. The Australian Aboriginal languages consist of up to 27 languages, and UNESCO. And according to UNESCO, most widely spoken indigenous language is the Niger-Congo language. The Australian Aboriginal language consists of up to 27 languages. Meso-African culture is also known as Negro culture. Meso-African culture is also known as Negro culture. Indic cultural realm lies between Himalayan in the north to Indian Ocean in the west, Pakistan in the east to Indian Ocean in the south, and Morocco in the west to Pakistan in the east. Indic cultural realm lies between Morocco in the west to Pakistan in the east. Indic cultural realm lies between Morocco in the west to Pakistan in the east. Okay, so that is Indic culture, means India to Morocco in the west to Pakistan in the east. And historian Toynbee used the term marginalized culture to which traditional culture units, that is Meso-African cultural realm. Historian Toynbee used the term marginalized culture to which traditional culture units, that is Meso-African cultural realm. That is marginalized culture, that is Meso-African cultural realm. In Myanmar, the Wa state official language is Wa. ये क्या Wa state मतलब Wa state official language Wa. Okay. In Myanmar, the WA state official language is WA Wa. And a common origin of language that has never been demonstrated and is rejected by an increasing number of research is Proto-Indo-European. A common origin of language that has never been demonstrated and is rejected by an increasing number of research is Proto-Indo-European. Montagu defined race in 1942. Montagu defined race in 1942. Then Bhutan speaking languages fall under Sino-Tibetan. The first speakers of Indo-European language are called Proto-Indo-European. English language falls under Germanic family. English language falls under Germanic family. The main Eastern Germanic language was Gothic. The main Eastern Germanic language was Gothic, and the language Gothic was extinct because it converted to other language through political dominance. Latin linguistic, also known as Romance language. Latin linguistic, also known as Romance language, and Portuguese language falls under Latin linguistic family. Portuguese language falls under Latin linguistic family. The five most important Latin languages are Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. These are Latin languages, right? Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. Spanish, French, Italian, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. These are the five most important Latin language. The national language of Switzerland is French. The national language of Switzerland is French. The national language of Switzerland. The national language of Switzerland is French. The national language of Switzerland is French. The most widely used Slavic language is in Russia. The most widely used Slavic language. The most widely used Slavic language is in Russia. The most widely used Slavic language is in Russia. The most widely used Slavic language is in Russia. The national language of Switzerland is French. Urdu is the principal language in Pakistan. The Iranian language is written in Arabic letters, and Hebrew is the native language of Israel. The Khoisan language family is found in Southwestern Africa. तो याद रखना कभी डिफिकल्ट है इतना एक साथ पढ़ के, बट फिर भी अगर आप पढ़ते हो तभी आपको मतलब रिवीजन होगा, और बार बार रिवीजन करने से आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा। जब बाय द वे चलो, द फोर मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, चाइना, इंडिया, यूएसए, इंडोनेशिया। चाइना, इंडिया, यूएसए, इंडोनेशिया, नॉट इजिप्ट। तो ये EMRS में ये क्वेश्चन आया था, तो इंडोनेशिया की जगह मैंने क्या कर दिया था, वो नाइजीरिया कर दिया था। Hausa is the most widely used language in Nigeria, and who defined religion as the enthusiastic temper of espousal, that is William James. Who defined religion as the enthusiastic temper of espousal, that is William James ने define किया था। The term race basically refers to the similarities of genetic patterns among aggregators of individuals of human populations. And the term race basically refers to the similarities of genetic patterns among aggregates of individuals of human populations. By the not very clear. The two types of genes which are used for the classification of race are dominant gene and recessive gene. Two types of genes, that is dominant gene and recessive gene. Most of the human belongs to which group, that is heterozygous, and races can be recognized into two, that is phenotypes and genotype. Which one has been treated as a race distinctive factor by most people, that is skin color. Factor नहीं, factor होगा skin color. Then Mongoloid is a set of racial group with light yellow to brown skin. Caucasoid is a set of racial group with fair skin and eyes, light and wavy hair. Negroid is a set of racial group with dark black skin and black woolly hair. B-type blood is not found among Australoids. B-type blood is not found among Australoids. The alpine stock has been highest concentration in areas between France and Central Asia. Alpine stock, France and Central Asia. The spread of Islam from its place of origin Mecca began in 622 AD. Muslim reached East Asia by 8th century. Muslim reached East Asia by 8th century. The two main schools of thought in Buddhist are Hinj and Mohajan. Buddhism reached China by 1st century AD. Confucius is the first ever ethical teacher in China. The Japanese ancient native religion was a mixture of nature worship and ancestor worship called Shinto. The Japanese ancient native religion was a mixture of nature worship and ancestor worship called Shinto. Oldest religion is Hinduism. Hinduism, its code of origin is believed to lie between northwest frontier province and Punjab. The term diaspora has especially been used to denote the distribution of Jewish. The term diaspora has especially been used to denote the distribution of Jewish. And within the Christian belt, the Roman Catholics are more widespread in comparison to Protestant. Within the Christian belt, the Roman Catholics are more widespread in comparison to Protestant. As of 2011 census, there are 172.2 million of Muslims in India. Stop and go determinism is postulated by Griffith Taylor. The first stages of demographic transition theory अच्छा इसको मार्क नहीं किया गया, चलो फर्स्ट क्या है, हाई बर्थ रेट, हाई डेथ रेट है ना, तो इसमें कोई भी नहीं है, इसलिए शायद ऑप्शन बी हट गया है यहाँ से, वो तो इसलिए मतलब इसको क्या है, चलो छोड़ो, हाँ। द सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन इज, फिर से वही मतलब कुछ गलत हुआ है तो ऑप्शन यहाँ पर हाइड हो गया है। और द फोर्थ स्टेज ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन इज लो बर्थ एंड डेथ रेट एंड स्लो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, लो बर्थ एंड डेथ रेट एंड स्लो पॉपुलेशन growth. This is the fourth stage of demographic transition, and which country has some of its cultural sources in Africa, that is US. Which country has some of its cultural sources in Africa, that is US. What is the term denoting the units of biological inheritance, that is genes? The racial stock of Northern Europe is called Nordic. The Arab of North Africa region belong to Mediterranean. To which racial stock do most of the Jews belong to, that is Mediterranean? The Americans are the natives of America. Spatial variation of culture are studied by cultural geography. Okay, spatial variation of cultural are studied by cultural geography. What is the basis of belief of human origin in Africa? There is fossils evidence. And one of the areas of concentrating Buddhist population in India is Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has the highest proportion of Christian in its population? That is Nagaland. What is meant by geographical voluntarism? That is human mode of life depends upon his interaction with its environment. Which one of the following is the latest approach in geography? That is voluntarism. अच्छा तो voluntarism is the latest approach in geography. voluntarism देखा, तो ये सारी चीज़ें मिल रहा है यहाँ पर इजीली आप मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में। तो एमसीक्यू बुक भी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, बट वो ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए। Now, environment from geographer's point of view means surrounding totality. To which point of view did Faber subscribe? There is possibilism. Who has been famous determinist in geography? Semple. Which considered the earliest follower of determinism? बाकी देख लेते हैं। हम्बोल्ट भी था, सैम्पल, ब्लास तो पॉसिबिलिज्म है, ब्रूनेस ये भी पॉसिबिलिज्म है, हम्बोल्ट शायद डिटर्मिनिस्ट था, है ना, हाँ, बट सैम्पल ज़्यादा फेमस था। ओके, विच कंसिडर द अर्लीस्ट फॉलोअर ऑफ डिटर्मिनिज्म? दैट इज हिपोक्रेट्स इज कंसिडर द अर्लीस्ट फॉलोअर ऑफ डिटर्मिनिज्म। पॉसिबिलिज्म इज द व्यू पॉइंट दैट एवरी सेट ऑफ एनवायरमेंट ऑफर्स नंबर ऑफ चॉइसेस टू मैन एंड मैन इज टू फ्री टू चूज एनी वन ऑफ देम। तो ये पॉसिबिलिज्म के रिगार्डिंग भी एक क्वेश्चन शायद आया था यहाँ पर, ठीक है, चलो अभी बाद में बता देंगे। द रूट्स ऑफ द एनवायरमेंटल डिटर्मिनिज्म कैन बी ट्रेस्ड बैक टू द पॉलिटिको स्टैटिस्टिकल। ये क्या है? The roots of the environmental determinism can be traced back to the politico-statistical. देखना पड़ेगा। द बुक इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल एनवायरनमेंट वाज ऑथर्ड बाय रैडजेल, हु हैज बीन गिवन द क्रेडिट ऑफ सिक्योरिंग अ प्लेस फॉर मैन इन जियोग्राफी फॉर ऑल टाइम्स टू कम, दैट इज रैडजेल। द फादर ऑफ ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी इज हिकेटस, रिटर एंड हम्बोल्ट फिलोसॉफीज वर एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट। द पॉसिबिलिस्ट बिलीव दैट नेचर हैज पार्शियल कंट्रोल ओवर मैन, चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, मैन एंड एनवायरमेंट अफेक्ट ईच अदर, ए हाई डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज लाइकली टू बी फाउंड इन मानसून रीजन, प्रैग्मेटिक पॉसिबिलिज्म इज प्रोपाउंडेड बाय टैथम। तो ये देखो ये चीज़ फिर से नया है, pragmatic possibilism is propounded by Tatham. Pragmatic possibilism is propounded by Tatham, who considered to be the first modern geographer building the structure of it, that is Radical, who defined human geography as the expression of the growth of new ideas, that is Blas. Expression of the growth of new ideas. This was told by Blas. Ellen Semple classical work influence of geographical environment was influenced by Radicel's anthropogeography. The earth is an inseparable whole was contended by Semple. The earth is an inseparable whole was contended by Semple. The earth is an inseparable whole was contended by Semple. The earth is an inseparable whole was contended by Semple. The mountain dwellers are essentially conservative, hence innovation is repugnant to him. This speaks of determinism. Possibilism makes the beginning of human geography. And the inhabitants of the colder countries of Europe are brave but deficient in skill, and thought the people of Asia are thoughtful be without spirit, implies that is possibilistic approach. Blas and Brunes were the propounder of possibilistic approach in Europe, and Bauman and Carl Sawyer were the propounder of possibilistic approach in USA. The variation in the attitudes and habits create numerous possibilities for the human communities, which become the basic philosophy of school of possibilism. The relationship between man and his immediate surrounding by standing small homogeneous area is known as phase. And we have man modifying nature, and nature modifying man statement was given by Bocuse. Okay, Bocuse. We have man modifying nature and nature modifying man statement was given by Bocuse. Which of the following contributed to the nested hierarchy theory of settlement? Christaller. The approach of human geography which describes physical setting as one determining man's mode of life is determinism. The doctrine that argues that within the framework there are a number of choices that man beings can make about their activities is determinism. Most part of Africa have low population density because primitive people inhabit the continent. Most part of Africa have low population density because primitive people inhabit the continent. Most part of Africa have low population density because primitive people inhabit the continent. Which of the following does not belong to a Mongoloid group? That is the Bantus. Bantus does not belong to Mongoloid group, but Yakut, Samoyeds ये सारे Mongoloid group में belong करता है. The system of apartheid means according to the UN population division the lowest fertility rate is France. The system of apartheid means according to the UN population division to the lowest fertility rate is France. अच्छा, apartheid तो apartheid स्टेज में है, लोएस्ट फर्टिलिटी रेट फ्रांस है. हाउ मच अप्रॉक्सीमेट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टुडे? दैट इज 8 बिलियन हो गई ना. द लार्जेस्ट वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन क्लस्टर ईस्ट एशिया का अकाउंट फॉर 40% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन. तो एशिया का जो पॉपुलेशन है वर्ल्ड का 40% है. द थर्ड रैंकिंग क्लस्टर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन लाइज इन यूरेशिया. The third ranking cluster of population lies in Eurasia. The major characteristics of the European cluster is that it is dominated by urban population. The rate of population growth started picking up considerably during 17th century AD. The highest rates of population occur in developing countries. The highest rates of population occur in developing countries. One of the countries with growth rate of population below 1% is Russia. One of the countries with growth rate of population below 1% is Russia. One of the areas showing highest birth rate is Southeast Asia. One of the areas showing highest birth rate is Southeast Asia. The area of lowest birth rate corresponds to that of very low growth rate. The countries having the highest birth rate are the Central Africa. India falls in the category of countries with a moderate death rate. Portuguese were the first migrants from Europe to South America. Which one of the countries of Africa is divided into two cultural regions? That is Sudan. Who are the Pacific people known for their गुड फिजिक? दैट इज दिमाग ही नहीं किएगा. पैसिफिक पीपल नोन फॉर द गुड फिजिक. अच्छा, क्या होगा नहीं पता. which one is the most important factor affecting the density distribution of population? That is climate. Mongoloid are known as yellow people. To which group do the Arabs of North Africa belongs to? That is Mediterranean. Population explosion is largely owing to improved medical services, and population has a tendency to increase in exponential progression. An area that has just enough people to utilize the resources of the area fully to their advantage is said to be optimum population. The highest density of rural population are found in South Asia. The equatorial region are thinly populated because of unsuitable climatic conditions. The average annual growth rate of world population is 2%. Average annual growth rate of world population is 2%. And the polar regions are sparsely populated because of growing season is short owing to low temperature. Population growth in India was quite low before 1921 because death rate was higher than in present. Racial traits of man are studied in anthropology. And Hottentots is a race of Central Africa. Hottentots is a race of Central Africa. The Mongoloid race is predominantly found at East Asia. The frequencies of person having blood group B are highest in Australia, but Australoids don't have B blood group. हमने पहले पढ़ा ना. Having blood group B are highest in Australia. The true Negro group is found in Sudan. And culture, a learned behavior shared among the individuals as a society and passed on to the future generations. The same environment carries different meanings to people with different ways of living and culture. This statement is related with possibilism. Which of the following states in India is passing through the stage of demographic transition, which entails low fertility and low mortality? That is Tamil Nadu. And which of the following languages does not belong to the Dravidian family? So Sinhalese द्रविडियन फैमिली में, बराहुई, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा ये सब द्रविडियन फैमिली में बिलोंग करते हैं. बट सिन्हालीज इज नॉट ए द्रविडियन फैमिली, डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द्रविडियन फैमिली. The habitat of Toda tribe is Nilgiri Hills. In which of the following decades India experienced the highest percentage of decadal growth? That is 1961 to 71. Van Dyke is the first initiated the concept of second demographic transition. तो हमने पहले भी इसका नाम पाया था. The percentage of aged population 60 plus on the total population in India lies between 5 to 10%. And Chandigarh is the state or UT recorded the highest density of population as per 2011 census. Which of the following was not mentioned by Brunei as essential fact of human geography? Rich facts of मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ठीक है। डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्सपेरिमेंट कॉन्क्वेस्ट मैन प्रोडक्टिव ऑक्यूपेशनल सॉइल ये था। अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज द हाईएस्ट डिजिटल ग्रोथ रेट बिटवीन 2001। फिर से रिपीट क्यों कर रहे हो यार, ये पहले था। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब रेस डज नॉट बिलोंग टू कॉकसॉइड रेस? तो एस्किमोज डज नॉट बिलोंग टू कॉकसॉइड रेस। सेमांग ट्राइब आर नोन एज जंगल नोमैड। द ओल्डेस्ट रिलीजन ऑफ मिडिल ईस्ट इज जुडाइज्म। रेस इज वैलिड बायोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट, नॉट ए वैलिड सोशल कल्चरल कॉन्सेप्ट। This statement was made by A.L. Kroeber. Okay, so it is a valid biological concept. This concept was given by A.L. Kroeber. A.L. Kroeber. Okay, so race is a valid biological concept, not valid socio-cultural concept given by Kroeber. तो ये 212 क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर था, ठीक है। आई होप एटलीस्ट यूजीसी नेट की अगर प्रिपरेशन आप कर रहा हो तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपको बहुत हेल्प कर सकता है, ठीक है। सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखिएगा फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स।